group SKEPSIS. You will perform now, and I hope you enjoy it.
Scuzați-mă, excuse me, Miss.
Hello.
Which pharmacia is this? The pharmacy?
Of course it is. Haven't you seen the car wheels on the display?
Roțile de mașină. The car wheels, yes. You are quite right. I'm so glad. Because I came here, I came here to ask you if you can help me. Dacă mă ajutați.
To do what?
I forgot, I forgot. I just forgot.
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down. And tell me, how can I help you?
came here, am venit să vă întreb, I came here to ask you. I came here to ask you, are you pleased?
How about you?
I don't know, nu știu, sunt doar un simplu client, I'm just a client. I'm just a client and I came here, am venit, I came here to, four. I came here 2 and 4. 4! I came here for, and for...
Oh, I understand. Now you're just a simple client, and you came here for?
Pentru și pentru.
You're welcome.
No, please, no.
Oh, it's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying, because you are not a baby boy. You are not a baby boy. How old are you?
4.
4.
40.
Morty. You have no excuse then. It's time to become a man. It's time to become a man.
I remember, mi-am adus aminte. I remember why I came. Am venit să vă întreb, to ask you, dacă sunteți mulțumită, if you are pleased in the pharmacy, are you making enough money for some food on the table, for your parents, for your children, for yourself, for your rabbits?
Well, Ow!
Are you a communist?
Oh!
Was your father a communist?
Oh!
Ați avut vreun membru de familie comunist? Do you have some lions at your house? Some tigers? Birds? Bees? Because I really want to know.
What do you want from me? Just tell me! Stop going around in circles and cut to the subject!
I forgot. I don't know. I forgot. I just forgot. I forgot.
Then be quiet and let me help you. Let me kiss you under the desk.
No.
Yes, yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, poor little baby is shy. Schlaf, Kindlein, schlaf. Der Vater hüt dich scharf. Die Mutter schüttelt Bäumelein. Da fällt herab ein Träumelein. Schlaf, Kindlein, schlaf. Schlaf, Kindlein, schlaf. Schlaf, Kindlein, schlaf!
Thank you very much. Dar nu cred că am problema rezolvată. I don't think that my problem is solved.
Why?
Oamenii, the people on the street, I think they saw us.
That's the idea, my dear. It's good for publicity.
Yes?
Of course. Come with me. Come with me. Let me show you something.
Yes.
Do you see?
Yes.
Everyone on the street is so happy to see you like this.
Are they happy?
Yeah, it's okay. Take them off. Relax. Yeah, perfect. Make some publicity now. Good. Now that you made enough publicity, you can sit down and tell me what you need.
Oh. cannot. Nu pot, nu pot.
Yes, you can. Go.
I cannot, nu pot, I cannot.
Yes, you can. Try harder.
I cannot, I just can't. I told you that I cannot. I cannot.
It's okay. Don't cry.
What?
Don't cry.
What?
Just wipe your ears. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Now tell me. Tell me. How can I help you?
Well, venit, am nevoie. I need. I can't. What?
You give me no choice then.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I have to put on the music for shy people.
Nu, muzica pentru timizi. No, not the music for shy people. No.
Yes, yes.
No, please no.
Yes.
Please no. No. Please no.
Poor little baby. It's okay. It's over now. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing! Good. Now that your head is clear, you can tell me what you really are here for. Is that maybe because you really need
Am
some...
nevoie de niște...
Some...
Niște medicamente!
Finally! You finally said the magic word. Well, good for you. Because you're in the perfect place. Look. We have everything you need.
Yes. You have everything.
We have everything and more.
Aveți totul și nimic.
Yeah, right. Now, before I get upset, just tell me what you need.
Please. Don't be upset. Nu vă supărați. Ca și client nu puteam să vă spun pur și simplu așa. As a client, I could not be so directly.
Of course you could not, but that's why I am here for. And anyways, I knew what you wanted right from the beginning.
Ați știut?
Of course I did. You are not the only shy animal that comes here.
I'm not?
No, of course not. All of my clients are just like you at first.
Da?
They enter, they're shy. But then, after they get relaxed, they can tell me what they really need. For example, aspirin, amphetamine,
Amfetamină?
heroin,
Heroină?
poison, a gun, the COVID. But you know, what I don't understand is why they are so scared, why they are so shy.
Poate din cauza mirosului. Maybe it's because of the smell.
What smell?
There is a certain smell in here. A smell of science. A smell that enters into your body, cuts down your legs, and just leaves you helpless.
I see that you are really, but really the shyest animal I've ever met!
No! I am not that shy. Nu sunt așa timid. I am not that shy. I do have some courage in some situations. In some situations, I do have some courage. For example, yesterday. Ieri m-am dus la măcelare. Yesterday, I went to the butcher's shop by myself. I entered in the shop by myself and I stood in line.
By yourself.
No, by myself.
Ah, but by myself.
Yes. I waited for my turn. Când am ajuns la rând, I looked straight into the eyes of the butcher. And I said, very sure of myself, do you have some underwear? Aveți cumva chiloți? I knew it was not the right place to ask this, but I really needed some underwear, and so I asked. The butcher looked at me, planted his knife into a pig's head, and he turned around. I intrat în frigider. He entered into his freezing chamber, took off his pants, took off his underwear, then he returned and he gave them to me! To me! To me! To me! To me!
And you wear them now. That's why you smell like fresh meatloaf.
You know everything!
Of course I do, my dear. A good pharmacist has to know everything. Even to tell your future in a cup of coffee, if that's what you need.
Da, puteți ghici viitor, ce bine! Păi e foarte bine! Thank you very much and goodbye! Goodbye, see you soon! Have a nice day! Have a nice day, see you soon!
Are you shy again?
No, I am not. I am not shy. Nu plecam. I wasn't gonna leave. No, I was just saying my goodbyes now so that I won't need to say goodbye later. I wasn't gonna leave. And even if I want to go, chiar dacă vreau să plec, you have no right to stop me.
I have no right.
You have no right.
I have no right.
I am a client and you have no right.
After all I've done for you, I have no right.
You have no right. No right.
Well, here's a
No,
right.
no, no, please, please, no. Ow!
No, no, no.
Oh, you convinced me. I will stay. I will stay.
Good. Very good. Now that you know your place,
I know my place.
just tell me what you need.
Just give me anything you want. I am not just like any other client. I don't have high expectations.
I can't just give you anything. You have to tell me at least what your disease could be.
I don't know what disease I have. I don't know. I told you I don't know.
What are your symptoms?
Well, I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you. I cannot.
Are you shy?
No, I'm
Then
not shy.
what?
I'm embarrassed. I am embarrassed. I'm not shy.
Come on, embarrassed. Just tell me. Just tell me.
I will tell you.
Okay.
Every time I try to say something important, I feel like sneezing. I just sneeze. Yeah, and then I feel something flowing out of my nose. It gets into my mustache. I put out my tongue and I lick it. It's salty. I retrieve my tongue and I wipe the rest with a
With a mask.
No, don't say that word. It's very dirty. Don't say the word mask. I don't like it.
I won't say it again, okay? I promise. Let me think about your problem. I think I know what to do.
You know?
Yeah. Blow your nose.
What?
Blow your nose. Okay, good. And now, please sneeze.
No, I don't want to sneeze.
Please sneeze.
No, I don't want to sneeze.
I said sneeze!
All right, I will sneeze. Attention, please. I sneeze.
Smells just like a regular sneeze.
it's not polite to sneeze.
Don't force my
It's not
hand!
polite to refuse. Attention, please, I will sneeze.
Smells just like any other normal person sneeze. I don't know. I have no idea what your problem could be. I really don't know. Oh, but don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. I am here to help you.
You are?
Yes. Let me tell you a secret.
Tell me. Tell me.
I am.
Tell me.
I am.
You are? Sunteți, you are?
I am a doctor! A doctor. A doctor. Doctor. And the silence! I am a doctor and you are a patient.
Yes, I
Be patient! Patient?
Yes, but...
No, but only be.
I don't want to be!
Be patient. Patient.
I understand, I will be a patient.
Good. Because it is very important to be a patient nowadays.
Yes. But why do you say patient twice and not just once?
Right. Because it is very polite for a doctor to say patient 100 times during a pandemic. It gives immunity.
How?
And because a patient who is patient does not need to be patient in the future.
Why?
Because a patient has no future. Only present. And two positive affirmations give a negation.
Yes.
It's a well-known principle.
So-
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand
Good.
very well. Înțeleg foarte bine, dar problema mea, my problem.
Oh yeah, I was about to see. Let me check you.
But you should know! Trebuie să știți! You should know! You are a doctor!
No, I'm not a doctor.
You're not?
No, I'm not a doctor.
Then why do you call yourself a doctor?
Because that's my name.
What?
Doctor, that's my family name. See? Sometimes, but only sometimes, your family name is just the same as your profession. For example, this place is a pharmacy, and it is called a pharmacy.
Yes.
I am a pharmacist, and people call me pharmacist.
Yes.
My shirt is called shirt.
Shirt.
My pants are called pants. My shoes are called
Shoes?
Yeah. Yeah, right. But there are some exceptions. For example, I have a dog that I call Cat. And I have an uncle that I call Jim. Do you understand? Be quiet! Be quiet! Let me explain this, okay? What are you called? Are you called Georges in Jungle?
No.
Stan as in Ku Klux Klan?
No.
Tomato as in potato?
No.
You are impossible! You're a false patient.
I am not impossible, and I am not false.
Then what are you called?
Pe asta e problema. This is my problem. I have no name. I have no profession.
You must have some friends then.
I have no friends.
You must have a country, a motherland then.
I have no country. I have no motherland.
This is so sad. Let me be your motherland.
Will you?
Yes!
I'm so happy. Ah!
Romania! Bulgaria! Russia! China! Do you understand?
I understand. I have enough love for my country now.
Oh! So it is love that makes you suffer. Do you want to get married?
Yes, I do. I want to get married.
Then it is very important to know if your nose is working well or not.
Yes.
Then let me get my bag and check you.
What will you use to check me?
These.
What are those?
Balls! I saw that you have no balls, so I thought I would give you mine.
But can you treat a patient if you are not a doctor?
I have a doctor's degree in social science. That makes me a doctor, don't worry. Oh, just catch.
Oh.
Catch.
Oh. I feel well.
Yeah,
Mă
good.
simt deja mai bine.
Good. But you have to do one more thing.
What?
You have to sneeze.
No, I don't want to sneeze.
Come on, just sneeze.
No,
It's
I
big
don't
deal.
want to sneeze.
It's no big deal, just sneeze.
Alright. Attention, please. I will sneeze. Ah!
Oh my god.
It came out.
Oh my god.
What is it?
I think I know what you have.
What do I have? Charm.
Ah!